Welcome to the Center for Healthy Communities series, It's Lit, Learning, Informing, Teaching. Here we try to explain concepts that you may want a bit more clarity on. We will be going over recycling, so let's go ahead and get started. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, also known as EPA, recycling is the process of collecting and processing materials that would otherwise be thrown away as trash and turning them into new products. Newspapers are some of the most common items that can contain recycled material. Now, some of you may be wondering, why is recycling important? Well, by recycling, you are contributing to several factors. 1, reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills. 2, preventing pollution. 3, preserving natural resources by reducing, reusing, and recycling, which cuts down the number of raw materials needed to create new products. 4, saving energy. For example, it takes less energy to make an aluminum can out of recycled aluminum, and the same is for glass materials. 5, in California, it can put money in your pocket. For instance, many beverage containers made of plastic, glass, aluminum are redeemable for California Refund Value, CRV. And lastly, recycling creates jobs. Now that you understand why recycling is important, let's go ahead and dive into how can you recycle. Well, the idea is to gain an understanding that recycling has a lasting effect, and it is actually quite simple. In fact, recycling can be done at home, at school, or at a workplace, and anyone at any age can participate. Collection and processing, which most of you may be most familiar with. Collection and processing consists of collecting recyclables, which include curbside collection, drop-off centers, and or deposit or refund programs. After collection, recyclables are sent to a recovery facility to be sorted, cleaned, and processed into materials that can be used for manufacturing. Here are some common collection methods. According to CalRecycle, Californian communities have many curbside recycling programs for paper, cardboard, plastic bottles, cans, and other materials. It is recommended to check with your local waste hauler or public works department to find out what exactly can go into your curbside, otherwise known as your blue bin. Did you know used motor oil can be taken to local used oil recycling centers? There are many recycling opportunities everywhere that are easy and convenient. For information on e-waste locations near you, please visit calrecycle.ca.gov/electronics. Went over the collection process. Let's move on to manufacturing. Now, we may not be directly involved in the manufacturing process, but we can certainly help. By collecting, we assist in the process, which allows many of today's products to be made from recycled content. Here are some common household items made out of recycled materials: newspaper, paper towels, beverage containers, laundry detergent bottles, and you may have seen some recovered plastic on park benches or as trash bins. Purchasing. We can participate in this process directly. For instance, when shopping, we can look for products that can be easily recycled or products that contain recycled content. Now that we understand the continuous process and understand recycling a bit more clear, together, if we all try to collect and recycle, we can really make a difference on our planet. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide on the collection process to recycling. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the Center for Healthy Communities YouTube channel to learn more.